Pisces. This is your channel messages for the 28th and the 29th of June. Pisces, your channel question is, you eating any breadfruit? When you get breadfruit, Pisces, I'm getting something about breadfruit. Okay, the fruit that is le pain, le bread. Anyways, la fruit, c'est le pain. Getting something about breadfruit, Pisces. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Your channel cards are the World card, Mercury, and dates. Somebody like you, they do. They wanna be a friend, go shopping in TTC. They like you, they do. We would be better friends if we woke up without bills. They like you, they do. Okay, so I'm getting the World card is completion. So I'm getting you have learned your lesson. I'm getting a cycle is being closed. The portal is now being shut. I'm getting you went into a loop in this portal and you finally completed the level. Finally completed the chapter. So now you zero the game. So now it's on to the next level, okay? I'm getting something about your communication has changed, or you mastered the art of communicating. Maybe you were the type of person, Pisces, as soon as you're angry, you block, like me. Or as soon as you're angry, you just hang up the phone. I'm getting your communication, maturity is getting more mature, and I'm getting that has caused you to close a cycle. So I'm getting you're reopening your cycle, the World card, with a date. So I'm getting love. Love is in your forecast. I'm getting also something about a Pisces or Pisces, Virgo, Gemini. You're talking something about a date, okay? But the World card is a great, it's a great time for start over, okay? So I'm getting like, you might have a lot of suitors coming your way. People want to bring you out, invite you out, all right? So yeah, I'm getting it's your time to pick, choose, and refuse who you want to go out with, okay? I'm getting maybe you were chasing or you were the one who's initiating company to be spent with you. I'm getting now everybody wants you around them, Pisces. Let's go. We have the Emperor. So I'm getting the first man and the most important man who wants you around is the Emperor. So I'm getting you dealing with a boss, a very mature, high level figure, okay? Me kind of getting this man want to be the first one to carry out on a date since your cycle has been closed. Me getting is an Emperor. We have the, okay, so me getting the Queen of Wands. Okay, but the Emperor has a girlfriend. I'm not sure if the Emperor and their ex are still friends, but me getting the Emperor and a girl. So me getting a mature man with a very, very sexy. Me getting she very attractive, she very scintillating. Me getting she command a lot of attention. She's beautiful. Me getting you and this woman. Me getting a saying if I was me getting Emperor, you have a lot of money, but me getting a saying when you're out with this girl, you feel even more rich. Me getting you walking alone with your wealth. The stairs that you get is not nearly as valuable as the stairs you get walking with this woman, even though you're the rich one. We have the Five of Swords. We have the Ace of Wands, and we also have the Queen of Cups. Now, if that's not it, I'm getting something about a couple, but the girl goes both ways. So I'm getting the girl like you. So perhaps somebody's having conversations about a threesome. Oh, I would never. I want the city of Scarborough to know for Canada Day that even though you probably want to know how much man, I want you to know I never had a threesome before. So that eliminates me out of your whore category, you dirty whore. You freaky city of fucking Toronto. So you can act, you can try to guess and wonder how much body count I have. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. You know what's not a part of my body count? A threesome. I have never had a threesome before. So your body count is less than mine, but you're fucking two people at the same time. You say that's more valuable? This is what you say? This is what you think? Me never have threesome, at least me can say that. I can say that in front of the presence of God. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so be it? Yes, okay. Have you ever had a threesome before? No, Pope Leo. Paul Leo, me never two man before. Never two. Me never fucked man before. And me never fuck a man with a girl in the room before Paul Leo. I can swear on it. Swear. We're getting something about a threesome argument. So either the man is pursuing you to get a feel of you, to know if you like girls, or this girl will pursue you because she want to bring you into the bedroom for your man. The Empress clarified by the... Okay, so the man... So me getting... She actually stressing out this man. Baby's a type of man who don't even like to have sex a lot. She have a 1. There's the ace of wands over here. And then the man has a 10 of wands. So me getting a saying you're doing something only because your girlfriend wanted it. Bro, your girlfriend lesbian. But not gonna lie. She's not even bisexual. She put in too much effort in making you uncomfortable so she can have sex with another girl. That's a lesbian. And you're saying, oh, because she tell me she's not a lesbian, it means she's not a lesbian. Okay, like how a murderer tell the judge him innocent. That mean him innocent. Like, people lie. Me getting you feel stressed the fuck out. And you said me, I get stressed out all this, but I don't even want this. Your girl like girls. Maybe she getting money from you. And we have an ace of wands here. Does your girl use a strap-on? We're getting it a stress out the Emperor. I mean, not understand why you're stressed. If it's not your current girlfriend, I'm getting your ex-girlfriend to stress you. Also, Emperor, I'm getting something about your girlfriend is actually a man. She have a small, which is fine. If you want a transgender, Spanish or Asian girl, that's fine. But what I'm saying to you is just stressing the fuck out. Because your transgender girlfriend who still have a dick, she like girls. She like pretty women. You like her because she's pretty and she have a small penis, which means you're kind of gay. Yeah, she have a penis. Her penis will still get erected. She don't get wet. Her penis will get erected even if up here so look like a girl. You know what ways usually stimulate that effect? Girls. So I'm getting something about your transgender girlfriend saying how she want one girl. The Queen of Wands is clarified by the 7 of Pentacles. Or somebody's supposed to be waiting to get a sex change. That's what they told you. Them tell us that they must get a sex change. I'm getting, it's been years and they have yet to get a sex change. I don't think somebody actually wanted to get a sex change in the first place. Or something about money. You need money for the surgery. She's pressuring you for money for the surgery. The 5 of Swords is clarified by the Queen of Swords. The Ace of Wands is clarified by the 9 of Pentacles. And the Queen of Cups is clarified by the 8 of Pentacles. Me getting on trying to get these 2 black women together. Not sure if you're trying to get these 2 black women to sleep together. Me getting something about 2 women is arranging 2 black skinned women for meet. Because she have the Queen of Wands with the 9 of, with the 7 of, Queen of Wands with the 7 of Pentacles. She waiting on money. Or she waiting on a green light. The 7 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, and the Ace of Wands. Or yeah, wait on she for make the first move. Me getting you saying that it's like you're saying if this girl was a lesbian, she more masculine than butches. Does somebody's sexuality? Do you question someone's sexuality because them dress girly but them act very manly? Like you said, yes, you said this person act like a butch, but me getting she in her dresses. Me getting something about masculine women wearing dresses. Or me don't know if somebody transgender. Me getting you try to make these 2 black women meet. I'm getting it's being orchestrated by 2 white women. But me getting the Emperor, you feel stressed the fuck out. Maybe you got somebody involved in something you don't know. I don't know if you're putting girls against each other, Emperor. But me getting you saying this was not my idea. Me never wanted to go this far. Again, it could be something about your current girlfriend or your ex-girlfriend. Man, if somebody's telling you to pressure this girl, pressure her more, or she's too comfortable, she need more pressure. First of all, Emperor, you want to leave this girl and you can't leave her. I don't know why, but I'm getting you can't leave her. She's stalking you. She look like the type of bitch who need restraining orders. We have the 9 of Pentacles, like 99. We have 9 of Pentacles 2 times, yeah. Me getting when you meet somebody, you are like, wow, yes, I like this person. But me getting, yeah, get pressure about the girl. Or again, you're trying to put pressure on her on behalf of this other woman. We have the Moon card. Yeah, I'm getting a something out of Pisces, your ex-girlfriend, your current girlfriend who's jealous of this girl. So she had tell you to pressure her about we don't know what. We have the Knight of Swords. We have the Star card. Oh, she's a celebrity. She's beautiful. She gets a lot of attention. And your bitch don't like it. And we also have the Queen of Swords. We have 2 Queen of Swords. We have 2 9 of Pentacles. Me getting you're supposed to stress out this girl for this Aries, Leo, Sagittarius woman. Apparently you're supposed to shut something down. Or something about you being the middleman for connect these 2 women for being sexually attracted to each other. I don't know what this is, but me getting the Emperor, you're saying that you're stressed out. Maybe you're asking why is it that this woman ain't stressing over something? But me getting she wants celebrity. She understands what it is to be pressured by people, by invisible things. Like your ex-girl, like your girlfriend is saying, make her stop. But yeah, say how me make her stop what? How much make her stop? I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's somebody in your company that's new. I don't know if it's you go to school with somebody. Maybe you took a picture at school with this girl in the frame and your ex-girlfriend say you and this girl in the same picture and she lose her shit. We have illness. Yeah, I'm getting your ex or your current girlfriend's a bit fucking crazy. I mean, she's stalking this girl a lot. We have evil. We have MK Ultra. Yes, someone's very obsessive. We have religious agenda. Maybe you're religious or your girl religious. And this woman is not putting a hijab on her. She's walking around showing in the whole fucking city of Scarborough her breasts and the outline of her nipples. And I'm getting a woman is saying, you need to put that bitch in check. Well, is the bitch yours? Why you gonna put a girl in check and you're not there with her? So are you supposed to bully her into being with you so you can put her in check for your wife? That's like a man. I don't know, this argument keep coming up, but that's like a man, he want 2 girlfriend or 2 wife. But the first wife, I gotta tell him how for like your first girl I tell you, say make sure the girl what you get, make sure she don't have long hair, make sure she cut off the whole of her hair, make sure she don't wear dresses, make sure she don't wear perfume, make sure she don't paint her nails. I don't know, and like you're going to the girl and you're like, you know, I like girls natural, you know, if your hair is short, I want to look better. You know what, don't paint your nails. Come and getting your first wife or your girlfriend, I tell you, the terms and conditions she okay with if you're going to fuck on her or you're going to have a side bitch. The side bitch can't be a nails girl. She can't go club. She can't wear a weave. She can't wear makeup. She can't wear a dress. I don't know what this is. But me getting you saying you're stressed out. So now you have 2 bitches. One of them you're trying to control. One of them who's controlling you. And your dick has yet to be sued. You see why you need to choose? You need to choose your fucking mates properly. We have Scorpio. And we also have Neptune. Neptune rules illusions and dreams. Illusion and dreams is a Pisces. So again, I don't know if a Pisces is having the illusion about you and them together, or that you and them can be sister wives. I don't fucking know what it is. But what we do know is you're the Star card. So I feel like I'm a repetitive parrot, basically, is jealousy. This man's supposed to stress you for these bitches, for these women, that he is or he's not fucking. You see, when you're single, you can't get stressed. That's the beauty about being single. You're in a relationship and you're stressed the fuck out. What was the sense of you being in a relationship? I'm going to leave it here, Pisces. Until next time, bye.